Welcome, Malaika, to the PTM podcast. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me. How are you?
I'm doing very well. How is the response going on in PTM so far? So, let me tell you who Malaika is. Malaika is the creative director of Super Travels, and
Yes.
she's the third generation.
Yes.
This is a family business,
It's a
right?
family base.
Yeah. So, what is Super Travels doing? What it has been doing? When you mentioned that it's a 51 years old
Yes.
company. So,
So I'm going to give my elevator pitch about Super Travels the way I do.
sure.
Super Travels is a 51-year-old business. It was started by my grandfather, who is still the CEO and chairman of the company. My dad and my uncle are the directors of the company, and I'm the third generation, and I'm the only woman in the upper management. I'm the creative director. Now, Alhamdulillah, the business has become a 51-year-old business. Our location has never ever changed. We have been at the same address, billing and shipping address that we have always been at. Legacy is the most important to us. My dada taught me three things. He said, be transparent and honest. He said, jhoot nahi bolo, which comes under the same. He said, personal relationships are most important.
Right.
And he said, कि किसी का दिल दुखाना नहीं चाहिए.
बहुत अच्छी उन्होंने आपको चीजें सिखाई हैं. These are really good advices, and if you carry them all your life, you'll be in good position. You'll be at peace. So, you mentioned about you're the only lady in this business.
Yes.
So now you need to work on the gender inclusion as well.
Yes, of
Because-
course.
and-
Diversity is hugely on my mind. I actually, one of the reasons for me to want to enter the business was because I studied abroad. I was in a very niche school over here in the sense of like I came up in a certain social economic background. So seeing the travel industry, I was quite upset because when I go to ATM in Dubai or when I go to WTM in London, the diversity and demographic proportions ratios don't look like this. They have many, many, many more women. Even in places like the Middle East, there's a much larger percentage of women in the market compared to Pakistan, and especially educated women in the market in Pakistan. So that was a huge goal and reason. And being in the industry as a woman, I feel like pluses bhi hai, minuses bhi hai. Sabko pretty privilege ka to pata hota hai. So that is an unsaid thing. And in every industry, I think it's something that like women have a charm, and in koi bhi industry like wo applicable hai ek cheez. Lekin apart from that, I feel like because of the nature of women in being able to multitask or being able to have emotional bandwidth or being able to understand sensitive concerns or crises or have a gut feeling or intuition, these things help and allow women to be able to be better leaders, be
I
in the
agree.
industry.
I agree with
like-
all of that. I agree with all of what you're saying. Now, moving forward, what are your plans for Super Travels? You mentioned about it being a 51 years old company, you being the third generation and being a creative director. So I'm just assuming that you are the person behind the social media campaigns, the brand of it, the feel of it.
Yes, the brand, the advertisement, the strategy, the aesthetics, how we're coming off, personal branding, internal staff development, how each person under the umbrella of Super Travel should be coming across is my responsibility.
Are you enjoying
basically.
that?
I'm enjoying it because Alhamdulillah, I come from a family that supports me and listens
Right.
to me, and they do give me space to be able to speak my views, to be able to hear me out. I feel like that in itself is a big blessing and advantage. Not everybody has that, and I do acknowledge that privilege. कि मेरे दादा, अब्बू, चाचू मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं, मैं बिजनेस टेबल पे बैठ के प्लीज आई एम अ प्रिंसेस नहीं करती हूँ. मैं उनसे बोलती हूँ आप ये गलत कर रहे हो, आप ये नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए. मैं सोशल मीडिया पे लड़ाई करती हूँ, मैं बजट्स पे लड़ाई करती हूँ,
बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स पे लड़ाई करती हूँ. चीजें जो आजकल की जनरेशन को एज इन हमारी प्रीवियस जनरेशन को समझ तो आती है, लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंस और वेटेज नहीं समझ आता. तो उन चीजों के लिए आई फील लाइक एक कन्विंसिंग की जरूरत होती है. सो दैट्स नंबर वन समथिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग एट सुपर. And then, of course, I'm taking care of the digitization in the sense of launching a B2B portal under the umbrella, doing a lot of things that are related to
B2B
technology.
B2B portal
Business to business.
B2B portal is a little bit technical here.
Yes.
and it does require that understanding, a better
Yes.
understanding in the digital space to
Yes.
operate, right? So it's great to hear that women can also step into these technical
Of course, women
pathways.
in STEM are it. Like women in STEM are it.
Yes.
And there's nothing that a man can do that a woman can't. There's just different body parts, and that's about it. And to be very honest, in today's time, skill set wise, I particularly mean, but no, women can do it all. And honestly, technically thinking, I feel like again because of the way they were wired, detail oriented. Yes, having a man labor team, they have different technical skills.
So are
That's
you a
important.
feminist?
Of course, I'm a feminist.
Okay.
Which woman is not a feminist? I'm not the feminist who says that I'm going to be kind of controversial. You can cut it out if you want, but I'm not the feminist who will be like, let us wear whatever we want in Pakistan, because I respect the fact that we are the Republic of Pakistan.
The culture and
I respect the culture. I respect the
values.
religion. If tomorrow the government imposes that आपको बाहर जाने के लिए अबाया पहनना होगा, मैं बहुत खुशी से अबाया पहनूंगी, क्योंकि मैं इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक को फॉलो करती हूँ. लेकिन I'm of the sense that a woman should be able to do whatever she wants. You want to be a homemaker? You go, girl. You want to work? You go, girl. That's the type of feminist I am.
So that's not the kind of feminism people like these days.
I know. This
Yeah.
is a controversial
And
feminism.
this is coming from those kind of feminists who are really disturbing the system, the gender balance as well. So this is the right kind of feminism that you are having, this kind of ideology that you believe
I don't want to
in.
put myself on a
Yeah, you
moral
can't
pedestal,
yeah,
obviously.
you can't degrade another gender
But this
to
is
have
just
the
my view.
superiority. No, I like
I
that.
think being balanced is important.
Agreed.
I'm a little religious. Allah मियां ने किताब भेजी है, उसमें जो चीजें लिखी हैं कोई रीजन के लिए लिखी हैं.
Right.
औरतों में कोई क्वालिटीज ऐसी हैं जो आदमियों में नहीं है, आदमियों में ऐसी क्वालिटीज हैं जो औरतों में नहीं है. दोनों को एक दूसरे की अपने अपनी क्वालिटीज पे फोकस करके. Allah Mian didn't say women don't work. Allah Mian didn't say the things that our culture tells us that women should follow. Our religion has given us a lot of freedom. So there's a bit of a mix up in theory, which is why I understand it's a new concept. Only in the last decade has it become something that Pakistan has started to speak about. Actually, I'm just maybe a little more aware because I went outside. I went to Montreal, to McGill to study. I graduated in political science in 21 over there. So because of my exposure, maybe I'm a little more sensitive to this thing and I understand. But I think every woman at the core is a feminist. We should not be paid less than men. Like that is so general. But ye bolna ke women can do it all and men can do it all. Like हाँ कोई चीजों आप women हो, आप like अपने talent and अपने skill set पे focus करो. Men अपने talent और अपने skill set पे focus करें, and combined as a team is how you achieve.
Right.
There's
So
no
how
I.
has been your experience at PTM?
My experience has been good. Alhamdulillah, this is my second PTM as an exhibitor.
Okay.
Last year, I was a little immature, I would say,
Okay.
considering that I had been to conferences as a visitor, but never an exhibitor. I learned a lot about the psychology of masses. Being brought up in a very protective background, it was a different experience for me to face so many Pakistanis, basically, all types of Pakistanis. मेरी उर्दू पिछले साल तक इससे भी ज्यादा कमजोर थी,
अभी तो
लेकिन
बहुत अच्छी हो गई है.
मैंने बहुत काम किया है इस पिछले
अच्छा.
साल में अपनी उर्दू को
हाँ.
थोड़ा बेहतर करने में. अभी भी बहुत बाकी है.
हाँ.
मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ. मुझे लिखना और पढ़ना आता है, लेकिन I think in English, so my translation wise, I slip up, which is the only thing. But it's been an amazing experience, considering I'm pleasantly surprised that there's the footfall that there is, considering that petrol prices are this high and that the Middle East is in crisis, to be honest and short. अच्छा लगा, vendors अच्छे हैं, लोग अच्छे आए हैं, सबने giveaways इस बार अच्छे बनाए हैं. I think stall design is done nicely. I wish Pakistan's hall was given more attention. You can cut this out if you want, it's controversial, but I wish Pakistan को और focus किया जाता, because पिछले साल पाकिस्तान का हॉल बहुत अच्छा था। मैं बहुत सारी चीजें वापस ले गई हूँ घर उधर से।
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रही हैं आप। इस बार पाकिस्तान की रिप्रेजेंटेशन उस तरीके से नहीं हुई जिस तरीके से करनी चाहिए।
And I wish it was.
हाँ, but these were the decisions by the government themselves, by
Yeah.
the provincial tourism authorities themselves.
And I'm sure there's a reason for it. However, I am also looking to join to TAAP. So that's the official tourism association. And I'm going to try to inculcate myself there so my policies can be heard.
Right. It was lovely talking to you.
It was lovely talking.
Thank you. Thank you.